Hi, my name is Jesse Sims, and I'm the Library Technology Specialist with the Buckeye Public Library System. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can access Britannica through the Buckeye Public Library. Let's get started. So we're on our website, buckeyeaz.gov/library. If you scroll down, you can click Explore the Digital Library, and scroll down on this page a little bit until we get to the tab that says Kids. And once we see that, we'll go ahead and open that up, and then we can scroll down a bit more and select Britannica. This is going to give us a redirect page letting us know that we're leaving the library's website. We'll click that. And this is going to ask you to enter your library card number. If you don't have a card number, just call us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We can get you set up with a card. Now that we're in, we can search under different age ranges, children's, young adults, or reference center. All right, and that's how you can access Britannica through the Buckeye Public Library System.